So just editing this video, I looked at my YouTube channel and I realized I had a series called Shop Things, which I completely forgot. So from now on, the vlogs are just gonna be called Shop Things. That's it. So here's that. What's up, guys? I haven't been recording. It's Wednesday today. I haven't been recording because someone in my family had passed away, and I didn't really want to record at all. I didn't really feel like it. I figure we gotta keep this going no matter what. Life is worth living, so let's live it and let's get to work. Let's finish this BMW. That's what we're working on now, and go from there. This is an actual work day. See him on his phone?
I'll check my phone real quick.
What you doing?
Why you don't record me while I'm working? You only record the one time I pull out my phone. It's not fair.
These two cars are outside. We went to move the cars, and then we just got super distracted. So now we're gonna go get the keys and then go move the cars. Beamer gang. Woo! You know how to put in gear?
Yeah, reverse is over here.
Why you taking so long? You just sitting here.
Cause you were behind me like messing with the door, so I thought you needed the string. I was gonna give you the string. Got rid of the Civic, so I got music.
What? Bro. There's no particular reason I'm outside. I just enjoy the sun right now. It's windy, like the wind is cold, but the sun is nice. Put your back into it.
Do I have to?
What'd you miss? This one's Gucci to go. Ceramic coated, Autoflex paint protection, all that good stuff. Look at the hair. He just wanted to be in the vlog. Can you beat that? So how long has it been, Juan?
A week and a half?
Just about. Just finished it, cleaning it up now. Once it's nice and clean, we'll take some rolling shots, outdoor shots. This is sick. the light? We're going for it.
Nah, that's cheating. You got flash, bro.
Oh, what's the gear? Oh God.